Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to extend local disk C space. Open your File Explorer to see the current size of the C drive. After this, from the Start menu, open Disk Management. Here, right-click on the desired partition, select Delete Volume, confirm by clicking Yes. You will see that this space will be unallocated now. Right-click on the C drive and select Extend Volume. In the wizard, click Next, set the size to extend and click Next. Click Finish to complete this. You will see that the available space has been taken. If you open the File Explorer, you will see that you have more space. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.